basically we might have developed around 100, 120, but the websites where we have put our efforts, there are more than 300 websites. We 2019 we basically uh, had a much intention in Android application development, where we made many trending apps on Play Store. Like we made the Stingy Men Association application. We made the Chikonsure dating app that was basically working in Uganda. So we had some good apps running. We made TV applications. So I think if you now want, we still have applications on Google Play Store that you can, if you want to refer to us, yeah, we can give you those websites and all those applications and view. So we have been here for at most 5 years, and we are still counting. KIIGASOFT Technologies is here to stay. Mark my words, this is 2024. In 2030, 2040, 2045, people will realize that the genius behind KIIGASOFT Technologies is an African, a Ugandan, and they will wonder how somebody that went to a university and did bachelor's of business administration is doing IT. So basically, I started my IT career back in high school. So high school here in Africa, it's different from high school in the foreign world, like in the US culture. Here, high school, you first go to primary level, then secondary level, then after secondary level, that's from senior one to senior four. Then from senior four, you go to senior five and six. That's high school. So I started my career basically professional in high school. In Oliver, just doing this, the computer we studied at school or doing the HTML and stuff. So in high school, that's where I started the connection, starting to build my application with that coding. That's why I started using Scratch. I started using LinkedIn to get my network. So basically, if I'm to count my years in the IT sector, I start from 2018. So if you start from 2018 to 2024, basically those are for those are 5 years. Yes, those are 5 years in IT. So I can guarantee you that my experience is better than a student who has passed through Makerere University, who has been doing PEM, Physics, Economic, and Mathematics. A student that has done software engineering. I'm far away from him because I've done many projects. I have produced more work. The work he cannot currently do after his graduation because those students can't develop an application. They just know simple structure, data, simple use of code. But for us, we the people that learn from scratch, learn from online, learn from practice, we are capable of building customizable websites, dynamic websites. I can turn a PHP script into a new looking website. For example, when you visit Code Canyon, you buy a PHP script that helps you in streaming live TV and stuff. For example, check out there's a site called Chair TV. That's one of the sites I developed personally under KIIGASOFT Technologies, of course. It's I never coded that website from scratch, but I had the software PHP scripts from Code Canyon, then edited it, customized it, and the website is full up and running. So, guys, if you have any questions, you are the right place. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.